Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope all of you are fine today. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Ilara Isfana June. You can call me Aya. Well, I'm sitting here. I would like to tell you about describing process. Describing process. This time we will discuss about describing process. The first thing we have to know in describing process is using linking word to show the square of process or even in the process. The link word is finally, first, initially, to begin with, second, third, fourth, next, then after that, before that, later, while, during, meanwhile, at this point, finally, lastly, eventually, at least. For example, firstly, first, initially, to begin with, we will use to begin the process. Finally, you need to hit the water. Well, for the second, third, fourth, next, then after that, before that, later, we will use to continue the process. After the water is boiled, put the noodle in it. Then boil until the texture is thick. Then we can also use while, during, meanwhile to show the process happen at the same time. While the noodle is boiled, pour the seasoning and then stir it. Last, at this point, to emphasize, at this point the seasoning is poured and it is stirred. And to signify the process has ended, usually we will use finally, lastly, eventually, at least to mark the final step. Finally, turn off the stove after the noodle is cooked. Then pour the bowl and it is ready to be eaten. Describing process divide into two parts. First, how something happen. Second, how something is made or done. How something happen tell us about natural process or even that occur in nature. That usually we use active sentence, simple present. For example, how the earthquake happen? How does a rainbow happen? Now I want to tell you one of natural process, life cycle of a frog. First, the life cycle of a frog began from the egg. Initially, the egg float on the surface of the pond and then they turn into small tadpoles with their small body and long tail. After that, the tadpoles develop and their body engineer while the tail becomes longer. Gradually, the leg appear in order to prepare the tadpoles for its future life on land. At this point, the young frog continue to live in the pond. The final stage of the cycle is when the frog mature and move into the land. As a result for being on land, they breathe air and lose the tail. How something is made or done. Tell us about human made or done it. That's usually we use active sentence, imperative sentence, passive sentence, simple present. Imperative sentence, start your sentence with verb 1. Example, put it in. Now I want to tell you one of how something is made or done. How to build a road. First, remove the air, usually bulldozer and diggery. The level the ground by cutting the top layer until it is flat and level. Next, spread a layer of gravel over the ground. Finally, add the top layer with blacktop or concrete. Active sentence. Use subject you or we. Example, you put it in. Manufacturing ice cream. The first thing we must do is to wake all the ingredients of cream, milk, sugar, and then mix in the large tub. Then we heat the mix to 82 degrees Celsius to kill the bacteria. After that, we cool the mix rapid to 4 degrees Celsius. Next, we add the flavor and colors to mix. At this point, we add fresh nut, biscuit, piece to semi-frozen mixer. Finally, we pack the ice cream in tub and we put it in the blast freezer minus 30 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius to make the ice cream heater. Last passive sentence. To be plus verb 3. Example, the oil is heating. So remember, in describing process, we will always use linking word to show the order of process. Use simple present tense. Use imperative active or passive sentence except natural process. We can only use active sentence. Maybe jadi from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.